This video, I'm going to share with you how over the last 20 days, I've made over $19,000 by leveraging social media. Let's go. You may want to like and save this video because when you're ready to start your online journey, you want to come back to this. Hey, my name is Wendy. I'm a grandma from Ontario, Canada. And like you, maybe I was looking for a way to earn in the online space. I tried multiple things. I came across digital marketing. Now, not all digital marketing is created the same, so let me share with you what makes this one unique. This one had a complete automated system. That is really what gives you your time freedom back. See, I'm still working full time. When I became a grandma, I wanted to figure out a way if I could work less. I still needed to make an income because sadly, we got our financial act together late in life, and I still needed that income for retirement. But I wanted to spend more time with my grandkids. That was kind of like the tug of war that was going on inside of me. I started trying things in the online space. When I came across a daily pay blueprint, that's when this income started really making an impact in my life. Like I said, gone to $19,000 in just 20 days. A grandma with a 55-year-old brain. If you're looking for a way to earn in the online space, you don't need to be techie. You have 100% commission. You have the ability to leverage 4 to 7 different income streams. This is for you, my friends. It is radically changing our life, and I can honestly see and believe now that I can retire early, I can travel with this income, and I can also create that portable, flexible lifestyle that we so desired. Comment yes below, and I'll happily send you the blueprint.